I wasn't.
Clutch wasn't in?
Yeah, I forgot. Spaced.
Be like that. Oh, a little more pepper. Nope. No pressure. This shit, you got it. Meanwhile, Daniel's back there zipping.
Yeah. Don't got a clutch.
So funny, look at him, he's flying. A little more gas.
I had the beginner luck for a bit there.
You remember how sweaty and how fucking aggravated I was getting? Easy. Pan over to Daniel. Who's gone? This one?
Check him out, check him out. Check him out. He's going, he's going.
That guy's gonna die.
Oh, he's done. Can I zoom in? Oh yeah? You didn't give her all the juice? Oh shit.
Wanna race? Race, dude.
Line him up right here. Right here. Gotta get him right there. 3, 2, 1, go! Damn electric with their acceleration. Bunch of bullshit. You might have to do a rescue mission.
Which way you go? Let's see if I can find him.
I don't think I saw him go that way. How do I turn this all on?
It's already on. It's already on. Just press the gas, boy. Click the gas. Ow. Oh, is it? Click that red button. Wait, hold. It's on full power, so you might want to be careful. Yeah, push that in. Should be good. Yeah, yeah, it's touchy. And they're off. Oh shit. Yeah.
Like a heavy.
What's that?
The heavy shoots a fat ass minigun. I feel like him.
The heavy. Yeah, he sounds funny.
He's got a deep ass Russian voice.
Yeah. I hella just burnt my fucking shit.
On the exhaust?
Yeah.
Of course.
Love it.
You gotta get pants for this hoe. For that hoe. This one. You just gotta do the grab pose.
Shit rips.
You bunch down, put the knees wide.
This one you just.
This is the first time I've rode it, by the way.
Really? Cash loading him, bro. Look at this man. This thing's so tiny, I can barely fit.
Get the fuck out of this home.
Bro, you look like the dude from Lazy Town.
There's no squish to this hoe anymore.
Hell yeah.
Touchy ass brakes.
Touchy ass bike in general, dude. That thing zips.
Yeah, we just gotta put a suspension kit on this hoe.
Oh yeah.
Rise it up like here.
If it was possible, that'd be nice. Put a lift kit on there.
Jose's got him on the turns. Daniel's got him on the speed. Lost the hat. Gotta go back. The walk of shame. Right there. Got that tweaker over there. Add an explosion. You gotta blow them up. Like,
Watch me scrape.
you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. That's a $500 fine. That guy's using his whole body on the throttle. I ain't running. You got me fucked up if you think I'm running for that. I ain't getting that shot.
That thing scraped the ground in that turn.
Ready? Right here.
Now we're moving on to the board, just cause fuck it. What is that?
The Gore got a trophy down here?
Dead bird?
Pick it up, man.
Yummy. Look at that thing.
How much do you think that's worth?
That shit just said.
Straight on the bolts.
Is that you? Yeah.
On the bolts.
Nipples to bolts.
Like this?
Straight.
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 Yep, like that. Nipples to bolts. That's the best thing to know.
What does the nipples mean?
Your nipples.
Oh,
Over
legit.
your bolts.
Yeah.
My nipples are pretty like. What am I doing? How do I jump though? Do I pop off this leg?
Yeah. So the moment you snap it, you're gonna go with it.
Jump.
So like,
you physically have
yeah, like that. Yeah, like that. It's just getting that timing right.
Damn. That's so weird.
Oh, that was almost it.
Did these like ruin my shoes or something?
The grip will. Hey, that was almost an inch.
Yeah. You went with it this time.
And the pitch. It's so hard getting like the position. Damn.
Yep. Just like that. Oh, whoa, whoa!
Man, I gotta move
That was pretty.
Damn.
Just gotta snap that foot a little harder.
The back leg?
Yeah. Yup, just like that. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
That's not bad balance, is it?
No.
You're gonna get Daniel at the skate park. Oh,
Oh, the Mongo push. Whoa, 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 whoa!
That's hard. I can't do that.
Alright. Yeah.